Hey, this is Steve from SewingGold.com, and I am going to show you how to install this suspended edge guide on a Juki LS-1341 clone. This is the Yamata FY1341. It'll work on Speedway, any of the other ones. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab our edge guide, and then we're going to have two of these screws. So what you might want to do for starters is pop this up. See how that pops up? Like that. Okay. And I'll loosely put these in for starters just so I can get both in. Okay, now grab my big Allen wrench. Okay, so now that's basically it. So now drop down, usable, pop up. Alright, and then I'm going to just come around and show you the front. Alright. And then this can adjust side to side here. Alright, let me pause it for a second, go around the front. Okay, so here we have the front view, drop down, and like I said, you can maneuver this piece. There's a lot of adjustments on this suspended edge guide. Alright, so when you don't want to use it, pop it back up. When you do want to use it, pop it back down. If you have any comments, just leave them below. I don't get to comments a lot just because I'm busy doing a lot of other stuff. YouTube's not my main job. My main job is selling you guys machines and fixing them too. I'm Steve from SewingGold.com. Thanks for watching.